Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and in today's video we are going to be checking out some fall 2022 haircut ideas. So the first one kicks things off with this gorgeous bob. She does have a very classic bob with this particular hair transformation. The bob comes to about shoulder length and features a gorgeous middle part as well as blunt ends. So then we move into transformation number 2. This one does feature a longer pixie, an angled undercut in the back nape area, and beautiful long bangs in the front. Then we move into transformation number 3. This one also features a gorgeous bob haircut. So the stylist was able to give the client some beautiful color with this transformation as well. Beautiful angled bob. Nice waves were added. I think the highlights looks gorgeous with the color. Such a great look for the fall season. Then we move into the next transformation. So she ended up getting this gorgeous undercut with rainbow inspired coloring mixed in. Beautiful line detailing on the side there as well. And then for those who like to spice it up, we see this gorgeous mullet with pops of blue throughout. The mullet, of course, is going to be continuing to make a big splash in 2022, and I love the pops of color infused with the blue hair color trend as well. So the next transformation is also of a bob. This is a gorgeous blonde hued bob. So it looks like she does have some hair extensions added in to create more volume through this bob. If you wanted to, you could also use clip-ins if you didn't want to risk damaging your hair. But I think that her natural hair bends in beautifully with the extensions. So she is also getting French bangs in the front with this one. Beautiful, love the way that this bob just frames her face, and you cannot tell that she has extensions mixed in. Absolutely gorgeous. So then we see another hair transformation. This one does feature a gorgeous red natural hair type, about 4A, 4B. She got pretty much like a tapered cut with this. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the texture with that one. And then we see a blonde and kind of copper ginger toned bob. This is a beautiful hair color, perfect for the fall season. She has so much volume and bounce within this bob, and I think that the color looks absolutely amazing. So then we move into another hair color transformation. So it looks like she got a very soft brown hair color with this one, and she's getting finger waves. I think the hair is kind of more like a honey blonde. Very pretty. And then we see a very bold hair color transformation. So she ended up getting this gorgeous burgundy shade, once again perfect for the fall season. Her hair also has so much body and bounce. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you felt inspired by today's looks, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.